Today, you will learn how to centralize text in Word tables. First, click and drag to select the table cells where you want the text centered. Now, click the Table Layout tab that appears when your table is selected. In the Alignment group, you'll see 9 alignment options. Simply click the Middle Center option, which places the text exactly in the middle of each selected cell, both horizontally and vertically. This is the fastest way to centralize text in a Word table. If you only want to center the text from left to right, you can also press Ctrl-E or click Center on the Home tab, but this won't center the text vertically. So, whenever you want to move text to the middle of a table in Word or center text perfectly inside table cells, use the Middle Center Alignment option in the Table Layout tab. It's quick, simple, and works for any table content. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.